what the f is up? Okay, like, hey y'all, I don't know if y'all still know me or not. It's been about 3 months, possibly 4. Listen, what's up? It's your girl Deezy, and I'm back. And I'm here to stay, you feel me? We just about to get right into it, okay? So I'm just about to do makeup for my first return back to the tube, okay? I'm on here barefaced. I'm about to give y'all an update like to where I've been at and what's been going on with me, you feel me? Like, so first things first, I changed my YouTube name back to TheyCallMe Deezy. That's what I first started off with. And then I ended up changing it to Life of Deezy. I don't know why I ended up doing that. So while like I'm like talking to y'all and updating y'all, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna just be doing my makeup just because I wanna take some pictures. I'm not at work right now. I'm out on medical. I've been having a lot of medical issues lately too. But anyway, yep, my name is back to TheyCallMe Deezy. And yes, as you guessed it, I am Deezy. So let me tell you something. I don't know what it is, but I just won't give up on this YouTube thing. Like, I'll take a hiatus and everything, like a little break, but I just can't give up. Like, I just won't give up on y'all. I just won't, because YouTube is like where it's at. Like, you can make so much money, and that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to make money. I'm trying to get seen out here. Like, that's what I am trying to do, you dig? So the last video that I posted on here was a video of my natural hair, me cutting it or styling it of some sort. Your girl ain't natural no more. And this is what's funny. We about to get into it. We about to get into it all, right? So the funny thing about that is that my channel used to be about my natural hair, and I was over being natural, so I ended up cutting it, I ended up perming it, and so then COVID hit, and I'm like, you know what? I don't know if I'm going to make it till tomorrow, because COVID was just so serious. Like, it still is, by the way. And I'm just like, why not? I always wanted to cut my hair completely off anyway. So like, why not do it? Because the world is about to end, and it just made sense. So that's exactly what I did. Cut my hair completely off. Well, I didn't cut it completely off. I cut it, I still had like about 3 inches left, right? Why this don't look like my color though? Oh my gosh. Why this don't look like my color though? Oh, we about to see what this about to do. Okay, so yeah. I'm like, COVID happened, the world's about to end, so I'm about to cut my hair completely off. And that's what I did. I ended up cutting off the perm. I ended up cutting off the perm. And so I still had like about 3 inches left, but it was natural, right? So I'm about to be honest with y'all. This don't look like my color anymore. This is my summer color. I ain't put on makeup in so long. It's so funny. And so I'm like, bet. That was literally probably like the worst decision ever. I'm not even gonna lie. I hated it. Like, if you followed me on Instagram, it made it seem like I liked it and that I was confident and everything. But honestly, I did not like it. Like, I could not, I just couldn't get with it. I just couldn't. I felt like with me being a tomboy, it just didn't work out. Like, I looked too much like a boy, like, and I wasn't feeling it. I wasn't feeling it at all. And so, you know, I did a couple YouTube videos of me styling it and this, that, and the other. Then I ended up cutting it off completely. Like, I was waved up. Once I got waved up, lost complete confidence. Like, no cap. There was no more confidence. Like, every picture that I took, I just looked too much like a boy, and it just wasn't it. So like, I didn't like it. I didn't like me cutting off my hair completely to where I was waved up. That was not the move, y'all. I hated it so much. Like, I hated it so much. So then fast forward, my hair grew a tad bit more. It grew like all the time during COVID, right? Then once it grew, I'm like, you know what? I can't do this no more. Like, I'm not happy. Like, I'm not happy at all. So I decided to perm it. And that's what's going on right now. Like, the reason why I cut it was because, like, everybody loved my natural hair. Everybody loved it. And I'm like, I was making money off of, you know what I'm saying? Like, I was getting recognized for, like, my natural hair and everything like that. And, yeah, let me go back natural. Like, this is the perfect time to go back natural. And so that's why I cut it. But in all actuality, I hated it. So right now your girl's hair is permed and it will remain permed. I don't plan on cutting it anymore at all. I mean, I don't know if I'm gonna stay at the pixie length or if I'm just gonna grow it out to right here to my shoulders or like what, but I'm not cutting it anymore. And that just wasn't the move. It wasn't it. Like, granted, people liked it and people thought I was so confident for doing it. Granted, I was, cause I don't know, COVID had the power over me, girl. Try to tell you. Hold on, I gotta be quiet while I do my eyebrows. So then I ended up perming it. My birthday just passed in September. It was September 10th. That was my birthday. Turned 26. So then I ended up dyeing my hair red. My hair, if you follow me on Instagram, follow me. If you don't, cause why aren't you following me? I dyed it red, like it was a hot red. Hot fire red. Ended up dyeing it red. Ended up fading it to orange. Like, it faded to orange. And like yesterday, I just dyed it back black. Cause that orange was just looking dry and tied out. It was just tired. I mean, granted, it was cute. It was cute or whatever, but I was over it. And everything looks better in jet black. Can't go wrong with the jet black. If you don't be quiet when you do your eyebrows, then what are you really doing? Then what are you really doing? For real, like, eyebrows make or break the look. Okay, so let me see where we at. I don't know, lost what I was talking about. But yeah, so like that's the update with my hair. Like, my hair is permed and I'm pretty sure it will stay permed for the rest of my life because I was just tired of that natural look. I was tired of it. What else been going on? I have a photography business that's really been doing good. Like, that's really been taking off. I do not have a steady hand for that. Like, I don't ever contour my eyebrows, but we doing it because we're bored. I took a nap today and why not? Okay, we have a photography business. Follow that on Instagram at click_LLC. Period. I've been doing that. I honestly don't know how like y'all females talk and do y'all makeup for real. I just do not like makeup. Like, it be so much like to put on, to take off. Another update, your girl literally don't have any lashes due to lash extensions. I look like freaking Rufus from Kim Possible, but no worries, they will grow back. Trust and believe that. Cause I ain't about to be out here looking like a 12-year-old boy out here with the what? Thank God for strips, but I'm so lazy. I'm not about to be putting on strips every day. That's something that I'm not going to be doing. You understand me? So yeah, like the girl that do my lash extensions, she's really great. Like, she's the bomb.com. Like, for real. But I went somewhere else to get them removed. And I don't know whether that was what happened or what, but honey child, I literally vowed to never ever get lash extensions again, like ever. I swear on my life. I was laying in the bed, like on the table, the lash table, and I'm laying there and I'm literally like jerking back. Like, that's how like bad that removal was. Mind you, the reason why I didn't go to my lash girl was because, I mean, she was busy, you know what I'm saying? She be booked, like, she's that good, like, she be booked. And so I've been like I've been having like this bad streak these past couple of weeks. Like, stuff just been happening to me. And I'm like, I'm tired of these lashes. My eyes been itching. I can't itch them. I mean, itch them. I can't scratch them. And so I'm like, I want these off now. Okay, now. I'm like, I want these off now. So I found a little lash shop up the street from me or whatever. It was a nice little business, you know what I'm saying? But like, literally, she was yanking my lashes off. Like, I was really about to cry, and like that junk hurted so bad. Like, I literally asked her, I said, what's going on? Like, are they coming off? Cause I had my lashes removed before. And I asked her, I'm like, are they coming off? Like, what's going on? Like, are they stuck? She was like, yeah, she used a lot of lash glue. And so I gotta use my tweezers. When she said that, literally a tear came down my eye, because that's why I'm over here jumping, because you're yanking my lashes out. And I literally have like 6 lashes. BS you not. Although I miss my lash extensions, I truly do. Cause now I just look like a little kid. Like, I was looking grown. I was looking grown with my lash extensions. But give me about a month or two. Give me about a month or two to, you know, do what I do to grow these things back. Let me see what else been going on with me. But yeah, like, I'll never get lash extensions, like, ever again. Like, ever. I just bought a new car. cause period. I miss my old car because since I bought my car, I've been having a lot of problems with it. Like, when I tell you, I've been on a bad, like, I've been having some bad stuff been happening to me. And I don't know why or what's going on for real, but a lot of bad stuff been happening to me. And I can only think that something greater is going to happen. It's been too much, too much. Look at this, I done put too much doggone. Look at that. Somebody come look at this. I really like want this social media stuff to take off. Like, I want to blow up. Like, I want to be like Jada. I want to be like Des Dior. You know what I'm saying? I want to be like them. I want to be like Keisha Jabri. I remember watching Keisha Jabri when she first started making YouTube. Like, when she first started doing YouTube videos. Like, for real. But like, yeah, like, I don't, and it's Shay Shay. I just want to be famous. I mean, for real, like, granted, it is a lot of work, but I do know this. I have to be consistent. Your girl is still single. You dig? Sweetest day is coming up, though. I do got me a little boo thing. Nah. And I might, you know, record that, you know, give y'all some content. He ain't my boyfriend, but he's been giving me a lot of energy. Like, he been posting me on Instagram. Mind you, we're not together. Like, he ended up doing that first before I even like thought about it. And I don't know, y'all. He's either gonna make me or break me, like, for real. Cause like I'm about to, okay, so look, this is what I plan on buying him. So I already bought him, what else? What did I buy him? I bought him 2 jackets that he wanted, but I know that, I think he knows that I got it for him because I asked him, like, pick something out. But Sweetest Day is for the girl to show the guy. And he telling me how he got a surprise for me. And like I said, like, I've been really sick. Like, I'm not gonna be able to go anywhere this weekend for Sweetest Day, like, at all. So he's talking about, like, he bought me so much stuff and it still didn't come in the mail and blase, 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 and stuff like that. And basically he got a surprise for me. And I'm like, oh shoot, like, you're literally like the only guy that has ever did anything for me, like, for real. Like, these niggas are lame. These niggas get no love from me. They get 0 love from me, you dig? I haven't baked a face in God knows how long. It just be so much makeup. Like, I just don't understand why people, I mean, granted, you do look good when you put all this makeup on, but taking it off, honey child. But yeah, like, he been posting me on Instagram. I've literally been around his entire family, his best friends, like, all that. I mean, well, he's posted me on all the social media platforms. And like, I love that. Like, you're giving me the energy that I need. Like it's crazy because I remember, like, asking, like, I mean, praying to God, like, this is the type of guy that I want, and just show me off, and is there any other? And here comes this guy that's doing all that without even, you know, without even having me to tell him or ask him. And once again, we're not even together. Like, who don't want that? Like, he goofy just like me. He's fine, he light skinned, even though I like my men dark, but he light skinned. He's really goofy as heck. Like, we're literally just alike. Like, we fit each other's sentences. Like, as corny as that sound, but dead ass. And so, anyway, I'm gonna end up, I bought him these 2 jackets that he wanted. Tomorrow, I'm gonna buy him some Ethica underwear. And I think I'm gonna buy him a hoodie. He loves hoodies. I'm gonna also buy him, what else am I gonna buy him? I think I'm gonna buy him some shoes too. Cause, like, he's told me, like, and I asked him, like, why aren't you in a relationship? Like, you're literally perfect. Like, for real, like, you're literally perfect. And so, like, he was telling me, like, yeah, ain't no girl ever did anything for me, blah 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 blah. Granted, dudes be saying that a lot, but I believe him. I really believe him. My nose is not snapped, but yeah, so, like, I just want to, you know, show him a little something. Yeah, that's that. See what I'm saying? Like, you put on all this makeup and I feel like I don't look that much different. Like I said, we not in a relationship yet, but either this is gonna make or break me, for real. All that makeup just to still look the same, like, that's ghetto. So let me talk about what is going to come from this channel. So before, like, my channel was all about natural hair, da 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 da. So we gonna try to make this interesting. Like, y'all gonna actually get to know Deezy, you dig? Like, it ain't gonna be no sugarcoat nothing, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be doing what I want to do on this channel. Like, before, like, I was worried about my parents seeing it and judging it, or really my mom, but I'm grown. And like, no, like for real, like I'm grown. Like people say they grown, but don't be grown. But I'm 26, honey. I ain't had nobody pay my bills since. Don't you hate when you grab something, you put it down, and then like it like gets up and walk away? Oh, here we go. Good for the lid. Go ahead and spray this face of ours. Literally, all this makeup to still looks so natural. Like, it's gonna be different. It's gonna be different. Like, I'm about to be, it's just know it's gonna be different, okay? But I'm excited for what is to come. Yeah, y'all, but y'all should be excited for what's to come too. Cause I'm trying to blow up on this thing. Like, for real, like, who don't want to make money off of social media? Like, take pictures all day, get free clothes. And I was doing that too. I was doing that before I came in, before I was inconsistent. I don't know. I think the next video I'm gonna do is gonna be like a mukbang. I'm just not about to be doing makeup and hair. Like, I'm just not. Sorry. It's about to be more to this channel. Like, y'all about to really see how I am. Like, I'm funny, I'm goofy, like I be everywhere in the city. Your girl from Detroit, you dig? Not from Detroit, but you know. Let me put on these lashes and I'll be back, okay? Okay, lashes is on. That took a minute. We just about to throw on some regular lip gloss. About to outline a lip, throw on some lip gloss, okay? I don't feel like getting up and getting the brown lip liner, so the black one's just gonna have to do. Here's some lip gloss. Elf Juicy Gloss, okay? Go baby, I'm trying to give it to you. Go baby. Okay, y'all, my teeth looking kind of yellow. Don't appreciate it. So I'm done running my mouth. I'm done putting all this gunk on my face. Do all this just to take it right off. Look at my nails. Cute, natural color, I mean. But y'all, I hope y'all watch this video. Like, I already know it's gonna take a while for me to get my views back to how they was, like all that. But hey, I'm trying to get some awareness, okay? Like, I want people to know who I am. That dark-skinned girl from the D, from Michigan, you feel me? Furthermore, I'm trying to get paid how I was, period. Well, y'all, this concludes the video. I hope you like it. I really want you to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what videos y'all want to see. Like, I ain't even gonna be mad if I get just 300 views on this video. Like, I'm not even gonna be mad because I know I'm gonna have to work back up into it. You know what I'm saying? But make sure you follow me on my Instagram, ix_x_xciv. Okay? Follow me on my Snapchat, Sharday94, SHARDA94. Okay? And yeah. Cause period. Easy peasy lemon squeeze. Your girl Deezy is out. Peace.